Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So today we will start a new topic, that is second and third equation of motion. So talking about second and third equation of motion, second equation of motion is 2as is equal to vf square minus v square. Third equation is s is equal to vit plus 1 upon 2 at square. So let's talk about the first of all the second and third both equation, how we can prove this. So as we know that the change of position of a body is a distance covered by a body in a unit time in a particular direction. Means when the change of position means if any body changes position, so it covered a distance, okay, and by a body and a unit time. It's also taking the time with a particular direction. It's called a change of position. Okay. After that, we are having here but the total displacement per unit time is called its average velocity. Average velocity means total distance and total time, so it means the total displacement per unit time is called average velocity. So here we have written one formula that velocity bar is equal to distance upon time, okay, because it total distance covered by a particular direction and time. So here if we want to find the distance, so t was dividing over here, it got multiplied over there. Okay, this is our first equation. Okay, after that it said that the body covered a distance from its initial position, means this is its initial position, this is its final position. From initial to final position it covered a distance, okay, from initial to final velocity. The average velocity of this body is, so it means the initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. If we are having the 3 velocity, so it's divided by 3. So if we are to finding the formula of average, we are using this one formula, the two equipment we are having, and divided by 2. So we have written here vi plus vf upon 2. Okay, after that let's move further to find the equation of motion. Okay, so finding equation of motion, just wait, I don't think so this video will work, so let me show you one thing. Okay, so after that, number third thing that we are having is second equation of motion. So first of all we will talk about the second equation of motion. In second equation of motion it says that the rate of change of velocity is equal to acceleration. So here we have written there rate of change of velocity is equal to vf minus vi. So at the place of v upon t, in the place of v we have put in vf minus vi. Okay, and then t, here t is dividing and multiplier here is multiplying it, dividing over here, t and a are exchange their position. So here we have found it the equation number which one, equation number 3. Okay, after putting the value of v bar and t in equation 1 from equation 2 and equation 3. Equation 3 is t1, equation 2 is v bar, and from equation 1 we were having what, equation 1 we were having about s is equal to v upon v multiplied by t. So here s is equal to v bar multiplied by t. So here we have put in the value of v bar and here multiply it with the t, it got multiplied, we have got in 2a vi plus vf and vf minus vi. Here we have using the formula that a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here we have got in the result vf square minus vi square. 2a was dividing over here, it goes there and it got multiplied. So we have proved the second equation of motion, that is 2as is equal to vf square minus vi square. Let's move towards the third equation of motion. In third equation of motion we again putting the value of v bar in equation number 2, that is s is equal to vt. Okay, so here we know the value of v, so we have put in the value of v just, not t, vi plus vf upon 2. So after that we know that vf is equal to vi plus at, that is the first equation of motion. So at the place of vf we will exchange it with vi plus at, substituting it. So at the place of vf we have put this one value of vf. Okay, after that vi plus vi, here vi plus vi we got 2 vi, and after that at and multiply by t upon 2. After this t multiply with this whole value, we get it 2 vit plus at square upon 2. Okay, it means if we will break down this one, okay, so this 2 will also come at this one side and also come at the down of second one position. Okay, so after that we have put over here, so 2 cut with 2, so here 2 is just remaining. Okay, so in this one 2 we can also write is 1 upon 2. So here we have find the formula, third equation of motion, that is S is equal to VIT plus S is equal to VIT plus 1 upon 2 AT square. Here we have proved the third equation of motion. Hope you understand both equation of motion that we have proved. Thank you so much for listening.